What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff here at Transition to Healthy Self, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about all the tips and tricks that have helped me grow stronger, longer, and healthier hair after big chopping 3 different times. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you don't miss any of the tea I'm going to be dropping. If you are new to this channel, Transition to Healthy Self in combination with tiffnicole.com, which is my blog, talks all about combining healthy hair and wellness and everything in between. So beauty and mom lifestyle and all that good jazz. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell so that way every time I post a video, you do not miss it. First thing that has helped me grow stronger, longer, and healthier hair is finding a clarifying shampoo. Now, clarifying shampoos are going to get rid of any buildup from products or dandruff or extra sebum or anything like that. So there are plenty of brands out there. I'll go ahead and link all this to my Instagram post where I talk about all these different tips, but you definitely want to find a clarifying shampoo. Number 2, washing your hair on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Now, I know a lot of us want to stretch our different kind of protective styles out for 3, 4, and 5, and 6 weeks, but guys, let's be honest, dirt is dirt, and you have to remove all the buildup that is on your scalp. So I definitely recommend at least once a week. If you can stretch it to 2 weeks, then that's great. Me personally, I do wash my hair every week, once a week, either on Wednesday or Sunday. And then depending on the style, I might actually even go for about 2 weeks. Deep conditioners bring the life back into your curls. Some of the deep conditioners that I do are the Shea Moistures, the Mielle Organics, TGIN, OBIA Naturals, which I will link all of those videos around here, and then also the Aztec clay or the Mayan clay, which I feel like works wonders on your curls. Definitely detoxes your curls and bring them back to life where they used to be. In addition to having a good deep conditioner, which will take away frizz and get rid of the damage and also just leaves your hair smooth and shiny, you also want to find a good moisturizing conditioner. This will help put in back the moisture in your hair, which is not anything about oils, but it will be on the back of the ingredients of your container. So it's going to moisturize your hair, it's going to hydrate your hair, and definitely give you that buoyancy that your hair or your curls need. Now, when it comes down to shampooing, clarifying, deep conditioning, and conditioning your hair, you want to make sure that you have an amazing detangling tool. These are different kinds of wide tooth combs that I do have, but if you really want to know what was the game changer in helping me grow, check out this video right here, and it's all about the detangling tool that I use to this day that has made a huge difference in my hair growth process. All right, so this one probably sounds super silly, but it's a no-brainer. You got to trim those nails, ladies. Make sure you don't have any rough edges, any hangnails, or anything like that, because as you're finger detangling or manipulating your hair, if you do have rough and jagged edge fingernails, you can strip your hair, the strands. Also, that can lead to split ends and SSK, single strand knots. So definitely, whether you get them done professionally or do them yourselves, just file your nails down a little bit. So the next tip I have after all of these good tips when it comes down to being in the shower or at the sink washing your hair is trimming your hair. The professionals say between 6 and 9 weeks. Now, obviously you need to listen to your hair, which brings me to my next tip, because if your hair is telling you with your hairstyles that you have straggly ends, you definitely want to get those ends trimmed. You can go to a professional or do them yourself at home, but definitely listen to your hair and go ahead and take care of those ends. The next important tip when it comes down to growing stronger, longer, and healthier hair is going to be finding the right healthy products for your hair. Now, I know this might sound super simple or vague, but you'd be surprised at how many people still use products that 1, they probably are allergic to, 2, does not do anything for their hair except for give them frizz or damage, or even 3, makes their hairstyle look a complete mess. So you definitely want to try to find products that are healthy enough for your hair and that are really good for your hair. For example, you have some hair products that just are worried about keeping the hair together when it comes down to a style. And then there's other natural hair products that are really good for conditioning your hair, moisturizing your hair, hydrating your hair, and leaving you with healthier, beautiful, growing hair. So those are the things you just want to go ahead and make sure you're looking at when it comes down to picking up products. Another way that has helped me grow is sticking to a regimen. Now, I know this might not be for everybody, but if you stick to some sort of regimen, which is washing your hair once a week, deep conditioning once a month, or something like that, you want to have some kind of regimen because your hair has memory. And so as you do things to your hair and you manipulate different styles, too tight, too loose, things like that, your hair gets used to that. So you definitely want to make sure that you are doing styles and getting on a regimen with your hair so that way it gets accustomed to it and then it can grow and flourish at a better rate. So turning down the heat or no heat at all. I'll link videos right here on how I stretch my hair with heat, without heat, on cool, and then a banding method. But you definitely want to figure out which way works best for you. So check out these videos right here so you can see how to do that. And that leads me to my next point, stretching your hair. If you have type 4 hair, it is really important for you to stretch your hair. Now, we all know shrinkage means health, but when you stretch your hair, it actually helps control the frizz and also helps control the tangling and things like that. And I believe you won't get as many SSKs, single strand knots. Next tip that has helped me grow would have to be not touching my hair so much. Once I have my hair in a protective style, I try not to manipulate it too much or touch it. Now, if my hair is out, like let's say a wash and go, I've gotten a lot better at not sitting here and twirling my fingers in my hair and things like that, or messing with my edges. And so I'm not saying to not touch your hair, but just don't be overly excessive with touching your hair, because you can steal some of the sebum and the oils from your hair onto your fingers, which then strips your strands. And once again, we're back at alopecia. Which, speaking of alopecia, brings me to my next point, more water. If you do not drink water, it is so bad for your body and your hair. Your hair cannot thrive, okay? Your body needs water. End of discussion. Subscribe to that subscription because that's it, okay? Great. All right, next we're gonna go into sugar. So more water, less sugar equals hair growth. The reason why is because if you intake too much sugar, it actually produces too much glucose in your body, which then is the whole insulin round. And if you guys know anything about that, it leads to hair thinning, which is alopecia. And so again, drink more water. And my last tip that has helped me grow stronger, longer, and healthier hair after 3 big chops is exercise. You guys see me in my Instagram stories every single day, Monday through Friday or Monday through Saturday, showing you guys different exercises that I do. And it is so good for your body just to have that oxygen intake and carbon exchange. It's good for your hair, but most importantly, you definitely want to get those scalp massages in and eat the proper foods as well as exercise. All right, so I hope these tips and tricks that have helped me grow stronger, longer, and healthier hair are going to be great for you, or you could use something out of these tips. If there was a tip that you maybe used that you didn't hear me list, go ahead and put that down in the comment box below. I'm sure it would help somebody else out who sees this video. And until the next time, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay well, stay healthy, be blessed, and stay safe out there. Bye.